thank you all for joining me today. Got a great episode in store for you guys. The last couple days we've been getting some pretty significant temperature swings. Mornings we'd start off at around 12-13 degrees Celsius. By the afternoon we're hitting highs of 33, 34. So yeah, these temperature swings have definitely caught a lot of people off guard around here. And I get to fix them all. Yay. Sit back, relax. Thanks to all the new subscribers again. Like the video if you enjoy it. And let's get started. So here's the damage from the rupture. As you can see, I had to lift the rope rail to see how far it peeled up on the side. But let's get started. Cleaning the surfaces, getting them prepped so we can do our gluing and put this thing back together. So as you can see, I'm going to be doing an inner patch here for the extra strength and durability of this repair. Now let's get that inner patch put in place and start with the other layers. Now that I have the inner lip glued into place, I'm going to glue the outer lip to give it a nice good seal. Now that I've got the two surfaces all lined up, and I'm pretty confident she's going to hold, I just want to do an outer support patch here just to give it the extra strength so there's no hassle and no issues down the road. Now that the seam is repaired, let's pull the floorboards out because I gotta service the valve and also pour some sealant into the chambers because when the chamber overpressurized, created a little bit of issues around there. So we're gonna service that and get this boat going again. Now that the sealant has been rolled into all the micro leaks inside the chamber, let's get this rope rail glued back down and put the boat back together. Well, let's get this boat back together and give it one last check over to make sure everything is good on it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how I fix ruptures in these inflatable boats. Sometimes it's fun, sometimes it's a pain in the you-know-what. So yeah, like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and stay tuned. I'm going to be posting more stuff for sure.